Hi all, this is Afzal, an enterprise architect and data engineering leader. In this video, I'm going to explain what is Fibonacci series and how you can write the code in Python to generate Fibonacci series. So the Fibonacci series is sum of last two digit. So you can see the formula is Fn is the Fibonacci series number, Fn minus 1 and then Fn minus 2. What do you mean by this? So let's take an example of this two number. So once you have to generate this one, you have to go Fn minus 1 is this, and Fn minus 2 is this. So 1 plus 0 equal 1. So the similar way 2 is here. So Fn minus 1 is this, Fn minus 2 is this. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So the similar case here is Fn minus 1 is 2 and 1, then 3. And here same way 3 plus 2 5, and then 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 5 13, and 13 plus 8 21. Like this you can generate the Fibonacci series number. Now let's jump to the code and I'll explain you how you can write the code to generate the Fibonacci series number. I've already written the code to save time in the recording. So the very first thing is, this is the variable sequence number till the sequence number you have to generate. So 14 Fibonacci series we will generate, and this is Fn0. This is the beginning point. Fn1, this will have the Fibonacci series number, and this is the first starting point, this is the second starting point. This is just a variable, and why I'm printing this 2, in some of the concept is telling 0 1 is also the Fibonacci series number, and some of the concept is telling 0 1 is not a Fibonacci series number, but I'm including here F0 and 1. That's the reason I'm printing here this 2 number. Now we need to run the loop to generate the Fibonacci series number. So till when we have to run the loop? 14 Fibonacci series we are going to generate. This is just a loop. I'm not going to explain detail of loop. And the very first thing is Fn1 and Fn2. You sum these two and get the first Fibonacci series number, and now you have to do swapping the number. So Fn1 I'm going to assign Fn2, the last one, and then the Fn2 I'm assigning which got the sum. So the next sum, when the next loop will happen, so this will have Fn2 and this will have the sum. So the next number will be generated, and this I'm just printing it. Let's run the code and see. See, this is all generated from 0 1 till 14. It is generated. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hope you like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for a lot of upcoming coding practice. Keep doing this kind of code practice to improve your logical skills, and this will definitely help your day by day problem solving skills, and this will definitely help for your interview question also. Happy coding.